Working Bybit promo code tutorial. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you the working Bybit promo code that you can use while creating your account in your Bybit profile. So first of all you have to do is just go to your preferred browser, and on the search bar just simply search for Bybit and click on the first link that you will see on the top, and you will be landed to the official website of Bybit, where if you already have an account, just go ahead and click on the login section, and after that just simply log into your account. And if you don't have an account, just simply click on sign up from the top right of the screen, just like I'm doing, and after that just enter your email address and your password right here and create a password for yourself, or you can also use your mobile number if you want to, and just create your password. And right below the password section you will be able to see the option called referral code. So in the referral code section you need to mention a referral code or the Bybit promo code that you have available with you, that you must have got from any of your friends or family who are using Bybit for a while now. So you can enter the referral code that they have provided you, or you can also search for the referral code on the internet. You definitely find some referral code online, and once you find the referral code, just simply enter the referral code right here on this particular tab. And once you mention the referral code and created a password yourself, just simply click on create account. And as you can see that the verification has been complete, and after that you will receive a verification code on the phone number that you have just entered in order to create your account. Just simply mention the verification code that you have received, and once you mention the verification code, then your account has been created using a promo code or the referral code that you have mentioned in the beginning while creating your account. So this is the tutorial for working Bybit promo code. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.